Want to build a website in half the time with less stress and still make it look amazing? No more hours of struggling with clunky drag-and-drop tools. No more staring at a blank page thinking, what colors even go together? No more yelling at your screen because your website refuses to center properly. AI is here to help. It can design layouts, write content, optimize SEO, and even talk to your visitors while you sip your coffee. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into how AI can supercharge your website design. Hey everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We help individuals and businesses boost their digital skills. We reinvest profits to offer free IT classes and community events. And yes, we love tech, coffee, and making your digital life easier. Now let's talk about why web design can be a pain and how AI makes it painless. The problem is why traditional web design is a nightmare. Let's be honest, designing a website from scratch is like trying to build IKEA furniture without instructions. It takes forever. One wrong move and boom, back to square one. You need design skills. Not everyone is Picasso with pixels. SEO is confusing. Why is my site on page 99 of Google? Users leave if it's slow. If your site loads like it's on dial-up, goodbye traffic. Enter AI, your digital lifesaver. Let's break down exactly how AI can fix each of these issues. Solution 1. AI-powered website builders. Build in minutes. What if I told you that you could have a full website built in the time it takes to make a cup of tea? AI-powered website builders like Wix ADI, Framer AI, and Durable generate full websites based on just a few questions. Pro tip, start with AI to build the base, then personalize it for a unique touch. Funny moment, imagine asking AI to build a serious corporate website, and it gives you neon colors and Comic Sans. Oops, tweak those settings. Solution 2, AI for stunning, responsive design. No more ugly websites. Raise your hand if you've ever created a website that looked great on your laptop, but on mobile, a disaster. AI tools like Wizard, Adobe Sensei, and Chroma fix this by suggesting the best layouts for your content. Auto-adjusting designs for different screen sizes, mobile, tablet, desktop. Color matching so your website doesn't look like a 90s MySpace page. Pro tip, use AI tools for design inspiration, but always customize to match your brand. Funny moment. Warning, AI won't stop you from using Comic Sans. That's a personal choice. Solution 3. AI-generated content. Never stare at a blank page again. Ever tried to write a homepage and ended up just typing, welcome, and then giving up? AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can generate SEO-friendly website copy in seconds, suggest catchy headlines and product descriptions, even write blog posts to attract more visitors. Pro tip, let AI write the draft, but tweak it so it still sounds human and personal. Funny moment, just make sure you proofread or your AI generated about us might say, we are the best company in insert city name. Solution 4, AI for SEO optimization. Get found on Google. What's the point of a great website if no one can find it? AI SEO tools like Surfer SEO, Rank Math, and ClearScope suggest keywords to help your site rank higher. Fix common SEO mistakes, like missing meta descriptions. Analyze competitors and recommend improvements. Pro tip, even if you don't understand SEO, AI makes it easy. Funny moment, Google's like that one teacher who never tells you what they want. AI is your cheat sheet. Solution 5, AI chatbots, 24/7's customer support. Tired of answering the same questions over and over? AI chatbots like Tidio, Drift, and ManyChat can answer FAQs instantly, so you don't have to. Book appointments and take orders while you sleep. Engage visitors so they stay longer on your site. Pro tip, AI chatbots are great for small businesses that can't afford 24/7's customer support. Funny moment, just don't make your chatbot too aggressive. No one wants an AI that yells, "Hello, how can I help you?" the second they land on your page. Want to master AI for website design? We've got you covered. Our services, digital skills training. Learn AI tools, web design, and SEO, community outreach, supporting communities with free IDT training. Expert guidance, learn from professionals. Our products, website design and maintenance. We build and manage your website, digital resources. Download ebooks, templates, and guides. Join Connect CIC today and start your journey toward digital success. Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite AI tool for web design? Share your tips. Like, share, subscribe, and check out our links below for more tips, training, and ways to support our cause. See you in the next video. Now go build that amazing website.